If you're using 5, 10, or even more tools to sign one client, that is why things are feeling so chaotic. Today, I am going to simplify everything for you. And if this is your first time seeing me, hi, I'm Sha-day Johnson, and I teach coaches how to automate their client onboarding so they can get paid consistently without the tech chaos. And here's the reality that most coaches don't realize. And that's that you don't actually have to have a complicated tech setup or tech stack in order to have a successful coaching business. But you do need the right systems in place. At the most basic level, every coaching business only needs 5 things in order to function smoothly. That's it, just 5. And you can still bring in thousands of dollars every month with this 5-part tech stack. I call it my behind the scenes tech framework. So let's break them down. The first thing you need is a calendar scheduler. This is because you need a way for clients to book calls, book time with you without all the back and forth messages. You want to just be able to send a link to your calendar and have them find a time that's perfect for them and in the right time zone, and you're good to go. The second thing is going to be a payment processor. You need a simple way to get paid. No, oh, I'll send you my PayPal. Oh, I'll send you an invoice. No, we need simple so that there's no delay in you getting paid and you getting started with your new client. The third piece is a contract signer. I'm not a lawyer, but I highly suggest that you get a contract, an agreement in place before you start working with someone. That way, boundaries are clear and expectations are clear on both sides. The fourth thing you need is a video platform. Especially in this day and age, a lot of coaches do their coaching virtually. It's super convenient for the client, probably super convenient for you as well. And so you're going to want to get a video platform like Zoom or Google Meet set up so that you can meet with your clients and deliver your coaching. I know this is sounding like a lot, but trust me, I'm going somewhere with this. I'm going to share with you a perfect way you can bring all of this together easily. So that fifth thing that you need is a CRM, which is a customer relationship manager. And this is the way that you're actually going to keep track of all of your clients that you have coming in. You're going to keep track of your clients, their sessions, all of their details. So that way nothing slips through the cracks. Now, here's where most coaches go wrong, go astray, and chaos starts to happen. They figure out that they need these 5 things, but then they use 5 or more different tools in order to bring it all together. So they'll use maybe Calendly for scheduling, Stripe for payments, DocuSign for getting contracts signed, Zoom for calls, and then a spreadsheet or random spiral notebook to act as their CRM to keep track of all the clients. And so suddenly your simple business that you were trying to set up just to coach some clients feels like you're running a tech startup, and it starts to feel like a second full-time job that you have to manage. So what do? This is exactly why tools like Paperbell exist. It's my favorite tool for coaches. I teach it. I love it. And what happens is instead of managing 5 or more different platforms, Paperbell brings this all together to happen in one place. So once you get everything set up, clients can book calls with you, they can pay you, they can sign your contracts, they can join your sessions, and you can manage everything all in one place on the back end. So this means you're going to have less tech overwhelm, less time fixing things, and more time actually coaching and getting paid. So I want to be clear that just because you have more tools doesn't necessarily mean that you have a more advanced business. I'd actually argue that the less tools you have, the simpler you make things, the easier it is to actually scale and hit even higher revenue goals. And in turn, impact more people because you'll be able to work with the clients that you've been dreaming of working with. So remember, simplicity is what scales, and complicated just burns you out. Now, if you're ready to simplify and set this up the right way the first time inside of Paperbell, be sure to check out my mini course, Booked and Automated. It's just $27 and it's going to walk you through this step by step so you can get it done in just a few days rather than months. I'll leave the link in the description so you can get started. And if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and share it with your coaching friends and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.